The biggest piece of advice I would give to our women leaders out there is, if you've ever heard the phrase or the saying, send the elevator back down, it's incredibly important as you take on more responsibility and you lead others to help others come back up with you, meaning helping them get recognized, helping empower them, helping them gain confidence. And if we work tirelessly in creating the environment and supporting others, then you will bring people with you. So again, send the elevator back down and take on the work that is necessary so that others can reach their potential like you are. I get asked this all the time in interviews, actually. And what drives me is people. I work for a company that has incredible innovation technology, but it actually is the people. And when you can drive culture and work around a purpose together and see people excel and develop, that is what inspires me every day. I do the hard work for the people. We're doing a lot of education, development, and networking. We're being intentional about it. Sometimes it has required the courage to ask for things and investments such as unconscious bias training, investment in, as an example, the support of women leadership pathways like this for Will. We've asked for more and more funds and had the conversations around that. This is all about all of us developing the necessary skills and the competency and doing it through education and practices and personal connections. So we've done a lot just around, like I said, education, networking, and the development of others, specifically in these groups. We also have done a lot of work within our employee resource groups, which has helped us kind of accelerate some of these efforts in the organization. I hesitate to call it post-pandemic because we're still living through this. But the only way that we will survive and continue to grow is to open up those lines of communication, understand, and almost reevaluate the boundaries and the personal needs of people today, especially with women, with the added stresses that we're going through in our own home environment, school, work, homework, being in the home office. There's a lot here. So we have to, like I said, more grace, open up the dialogue, and that's even from direct report to leader.